Hello students, today we will read about class 8 geography chapter number 1 resources. Anything which has some utility or usability for us is called a resources. All resources have some value or worth. Some resources can become economically valuable with time. जो कुछ भी कोई भी चीज़ जो हमारे लिए जिसकी कुछ ना कुछ यूटिलिटी और यूजेबिलिटी होती है वो रिसोर्सेज कहलाते हैं. Types of resources. There are three types of resources: natural, human-made, and human. Natural resources divide into many types. First, based on origin. Second, based on unity. Third, based on development. And fourth, based on distribution. Based on origin, divided into two parts: biotic and abiotic resources. Based on unity, divided into two parts: renewable and non-renewable. Based on development, divided into two parts: potential and actual. Based on distribution, divided into two parts: localized and ubiquitous. Types of resources. Resources are generally classified into natural, human-made, and human. Natural resources. Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. Natural resources can be categorized into many types: non-renewable, renewable, potential, actual, and so many. Number 1, renewable resources. Renewable resources are those which get renewed quickly. Some of these are unlimited and are not affected by human activities. Non-renewable resources are those which have a limited stock. Once the stock are exhausted, it may take thousands of years. For example, petroleum, coal, natural gas. Some examples. जो हमारे नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज होते हैं, यदि वो एक बार ख़त्म हो जाती हैं तो उनको दोबारा बनाने में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. लगभग हजारों करोड़ों वर्ष इनको बनाने में लग जाते हैं. लाइक आपके पेट्रोलियम हो गए, नेचुरल गैस हो गए, एक्सेट्रा. बायोटिक रिसोर्सेज. एनी लाइफ फ्रॉम दैट लिव्स within nature is a biotic resources like human, animals, plant, etc. Abiotic resources. An abiotic resource is that which is available in nature but has no life, like metals, rocks, and stones. Potential resources, natural elements which are already easily available but humans are not to discover their real power, are potential resources. For example, solar and wind energy. Actual resources are those that have been surveyed, their quantity determined, and are being used in present times. For example, petroleum and natural gas. Localized, which are found in a local place or specific area. गोल्ड, सिल्वर एंड डायमंड आर सम एग्जाम्पल्स. यानी कुछ हमारे जो रिसोर्सेज होते हैं वो कुछ स्पेसिफिक प्लेसेस पे पाए जाते हैं, जैसे आपके गोल्ड हो गए, सिल्वर हो गए, डायमंड हो गए. Ubiquitous is a natural resources that is available just about anywhere you live. Air, wind and water are all ubiquitous resources. यानी कि जहाँ पर हम रहते हैं वहाँ पर भी हमें कुछ ना कुछ रिसोर्सेज पाए जाते हैं, जैसे हवा, पानी, वाटर, एक्सेट्रा. नाउ नेक्स्ट, ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्सेज. ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्सेज also known as capital resources are material riches created by humans that can be used to create more wealth. Example, factories, roads, technology, and so on. Human resources describe the people who make up the workforce of an organization, industry, business sector, or economics. I hope you understand this chapter. Okay, bye.